Hello. Okay, it's next day, and I'm here back. Okay, I think this stream is going to be shorter, but I think we have more stuff to uncover this stream than yesterday. So yesterday I played the exploration mode in the early access, and I want to crack on more of the creative stuff. So building all the different tools and maybe even modding. But I being honest, I have tried the modding yesterday, like very shortly, briefly touched it, and it's interesting. So yeah, I don't know if we are going to cover that, but we'll see. So I'm going into the creative world, and I wonder where I'm going to be actually. Oh yeah, I'm here. Go back to the hub though. This is the creative hub. This is where you get spawned, and you have 3 different locations where you can go. I have tested that one and that one, so let's go here for now. I don't know if they are completely separate worlds. I mean, the flat one is probably going to be completely separate, but not sure about this one. Um, Probably it is. And yo, I cannot see anything. Like, it's so foggy. Oh, they're the dragons. Wait, I haven't seen these in the survival. This might be like a bit spoiler for me. At least I can like look at them from a closer. Yo, a dragon. That's cool. Very cool indeed. Oh yeah, I can. Yeah, that does work. Kellingtons. I haven't been on any mountains. Wait, there's another one right over there. Yeah, there's another dragon. They're not as rare as I thought they are. Oh, interesting. But yeah, dragons. Um, are they generating in front of me or? Oh yeah, I was like wondering where's there fog. Okay, let's go here and oh, we can explore this menu. This is the inventory. I will just remove the errors so we can see stuff. There's a lot of them. Like genuinely impressed how much content they have managed to put into the early access. Although not much. Being honest, like from yesterday, I was playing it yesterday. I haven't really given my entire thought yesterday. The game is good, but it was like missing some kind of like reason to play it. Like there was nothing really for me to do at like that point. Like I could explore, and it was fun exploring, you know, and looking at all the stuff. But at the same time, it was like, why? You know, it wasn't giving me any like sort of purpose. And so yeah, that's why I wanted to also do creative today. There are moose. Yo. Okay, let's go over the creative inventory then. We have all these different blocks. There's a lot of them. I'm not a builder, so I cannot give you like any, you know, stuff. I cannot help you build stuff. I I I I build usually in my own weird way, and that's about it. I cannot change styles. Let's try to use actually my style here. Or maybe I'll get to that. Okay, I will build a house after I like explore this menu, so I know all the different tools, but I know because I know there's a lot of them. This slate, who is the volcanic cobble. Okay, I actually also haven't really dug deep, or at least I don't think so. I was in like in this magma cave, but I don't think that was that deep. We have different rooftops. Okay, so you have black marble. It's the first time I see marble black. Little thing? Marble cobble. Interesting. Uh, Sandstone, red sandstone, white sandstone, shale, slate. Okay. Stone brick, volcanic brick. I like that there's so many options. Clay brick. Why is it green? I mean, yeah, like all clay can be green. Black wood roof, red wood roof. That's what I use in Minecraft right now. Uh, dry wood roof. Jeez, there's so many fences. Oh yeah, I haven't look at the fences. Every single fence has a different model. That's that's like cool actually. Like, whoa, deadwood. And yeah, tropical one as well. This is so cool. You have like these big tabs, and then you have these smaller tabs for like different stuff, like the categories. I guess these are tabs and these are categories or something like that. I don't know. Um, so here you have all the full blocks, I guess. Although soils. Oh, all the different dirts. Well, there's a lot of dirts. We can build a dirt house in this game probably pretty well. Ores, plants. Whoa. The cacti. All the different wait, what? Okay, probably weird thingy. It's different fruits. Yeah. Grass. Oh my goodness, you can cover your dirt house with a cool grass moss. It is moss here. Oh, moss is not counted as dirt. All right, fair enough. It's not supposed to. And you have also wood types here. Personally, I am not really a big like huge fan of these because they're usually annoying in the inventory, as I experienced yesterday. But at least they give more options what people can do with them, right? Liquids, red slime, slime, poison, tar. Oh, that was the tar. I thought that was a mud, or maybe I don't know. There's the teleporters. Void invasion. If what? Okay, I'll have to check it out. There's all the utility or other ones, decorations. All right. Oh, there's a winter stuff as well. Oh yeah, that's for the from the winter post. That's cool. And you have chains here as well. Damn. Okay. We have furniture. That these are all the crafting benches. There's no boats, as far as I'm aware of. Uh, the different chests. Gifts are chests. Hold up, I want to see that. Oh yeah. Oh well. Okay, that was very simple. Small lawyer royal. Whoa, that is physics. Legendary chest. I haven't seen this one yet. It only contains one item. Okay. Oh no. Okay, there's chairs and wardrobes. I mean, I've seen a lot of them. Oh, I haven't been into any ice biome, I think. So, but I've seen a lot of them, I think. Yeah. I haven't seen this one. Royal. Some pink biome. I don't know. And I don't think I've seen these either. The temple ones. But I've seen the sand one. The wind temple. I believe I've seen. There's doors. Ooh. Wait, do they work? Do you have one door, right? Yo! Wait, just a quick check. Okay, they actually put the effort into implementing this. Oh my goodness. It like little bit clips here, but other than that, like okay, this is actually cool. Can you stand on this? No. Okay. There's no top thingy. You know, it looks like it. It's not there. You double doors. You know, are there triple doors? Medium wind. These are 3 by 3. Okay, this reminds me of one of my designs for a game that we are not releasing, sadly. But oh, you can stand on this one. That's huge. Oh, you cannot place blocks here. I'm trying. Oh, wait, what? Oh, that's gravel. Is that okay? I don't know how building works here right now. You can put pull blocks. Okay, so it was because of a gravel. You cannot put it on block that doesn't have anything below it. Which is kind of sad because this works. It's mostly annoying, I'd say. But alright. If I check this air placement, it doesn't allow me to do it either, so respond to hit. Okay. I don't see anywhere here way how to enable that or not. So I'm used to right-clicking doors and I have to press F here. Actually, I'd say F is a bit out of the place, but okay, it's fine. I'm used to Cyberpunk, so I should be fine. What else do we have? That was doors. So many. Whoa. Wait, how does this work? Are they like removing parts of the model as it is being opened? I see that they scale it here. How, whoa. That's cool. And yeah, because of the auto step thingy they have here, going through this door actually doesn't look that bad. And you can stand on it when it's open. This is huge. Window. Oh, so much. Gates, okay. Wait, the fences, where were the fences? Normal fences. They're here, right? Kind of missed opportunity to put them together, but alright. A redwood, right? Redwood fence. You can have them like this. Oh, what? Wait, yeah, it does work. Okay. Um, you know, or if you feel fancy, that you put them like that, and they open. Both of them open. But there's no redstone, I think, so you cannot automate opening stuff. I think, like, if you, there's no pressure plate or anything like that, as far as I'm aware of. So Kind of sad, but I think something similar is going to come. No, they have to. I'm missing some portion of the Minecraft uh people. Okay. So that was doors, lights. Not that many lights actually. I thought there was more. Like literally when I was exploring yesterday, I thought there was like so many lights. Whoa. This was larger than I thought. This actually has a hitbox. I'll try to add a custom block as well. Light object as well. Beds. There's not many beds. Yesterday I only saw like actually none of these. No. This one. Ruined wooden bed. Is this a bed? I don't think this is a bed. Lost civilization bed. I wonder how their hitboxes work because some of them. Whoa. I actually for a second thought I was flying higher. Some of the hitboxes have like this outline, but then you can walk on them on the model directly. Some of them have like the outline that literally says the hitbox, so I would like to explore that. Bookshelves. You cannot put bookshelves on top of each other? Okay. Um, where was I? You have to put them on like, yeah, like so. But they're thought as wooden blocks. All right. You have to be on walls. You can put different items on them as well, I think. So can I put this on? Yeah. That's good. I like this. So you can only put items, not blocks. That still makes sense. Signs. I haven't noticed any signs here. Whoa. Oh, how do? What? You have to place it on the ground, or why can't I place it on these planks? What? It has to be. Oh. Oh. Okay. And you cannot do anything with the sign. You cannot place text on them. Seems. Yeah. Maybe that's going to come in the future, but so far you cannot put text on the signs. Okay. Okay, weaponry. Um, there's a lot of things. Growth stage. Yeah, that's actually we can use that. You pick some weapon, and you drink this potion, and you're chill, right? You're chill. How do I drink this? Okay, I don't know how to use this. Okay, maybe I don't understand how this works. It's fine. Either way, there's like I don't know how many tiers, but it seems that like adamantium, adamantite is not the best tier as I thought it's going to be, but it's like copper. It's crude, copper, iron, uh, thorium, adamantite, mithril, and then onyxing. So yeah, Not sure what the lore is here, but if I go back to here, it's literally the same. All right. Oh yeah, this is much better. Okay. What is empty watering can? Yeah, that's for the farming stuff. Firebomb. Kablooey? Hello? Wait, do I have to be in adventure mode too? That one doesn't work. Maybe the other one? I know there was a... Oh, there we go. It doesn't do that much damage, being honest. And you cannot kill yourself with it. Or at least I tried, I couldn't. There's a club. Ooh, I didn't know there was clubs in this game. Jeez, okay, there's so much different weaponry. There's a rifle? It sounds more like a nerve gun. Um, it's clubs. There's tribal club. Oh my goodness. Bone claws. Then you have all the different daggers. Being honest, actually, I enjoyed daggers yesterday. It was very good. You have other pew pews. Long sword. I haven't tried that yet. There's maces. Okay, I haven't tried that either. I've seen. Okay, the shields would actually make sense with one-handed weapons, which yeah, or if you're maybe using these crossbows. There's staffs? Or that's Peter. Oh, my bad. Ooh, that sounds cool too. Blade. Pick one of them. Let's see, can I change the weather? Uh, oh, there we go. Uh, zone 1. Wait, so this is zone 3, so sunny. Ah. Oh, well, never mind. How can I place it? Oh, you left click. Oh, it's trying to shoot at me, and I have it disabled. um, I think I need some sort of ammo. I think you need ammo too. Whoa. I don't have anything to kill here. Yeah, I've killed already everything. Okay, what does this do? And it's not coming back. Okay, well, hello guys. I will try this on you. How... Oh, did it just despawn? Do you lose your weapon once you throw it? That's dumb. Hi, piggies. That's very dumb. Okay. Well, I've seen this one, I believe. Okay, it's what is blood shooting? Hello. Do you mind paying some sort of a no? Now you've noticed. Hello. It's becoming nighttime as well. Okay. Um. Maybe let's find the time. Set midday. Okay, time midday actually works. Time midday. Right. So guns don't work yet. This is the staffs. Spears, I think they're going to work the same way. Grimoires. We'll try that as well. I now understand why you can have 40 of these. Double blades. Um, we have the wizard staff. Whoa. The normal swords. And that's about that. Okay. Oh, they are here. Hello. Let's have staff. Fireball. 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 It uses your stamina for some reason. I don't know what the Grimoire does. That works too, I guess. Alright. So that's from the weapons section. Ooh, there's all the armor. I don't think I have to test that. Although the Onyx looks kind of cool. I had the Thorium, right? Or maybe Cobalt? I had a Cobalt helmet, at least. Yeah, the Mithril is kind of crazy. And then I had Thorium boots and gauntlets, I believe. So it's actually not that far away. So the 7... Actually, wait. The Onyxium gauntlets give you more mana, but not as much health. So it really depends on your... Yeah, yeah. It really depends on your preference, actually. Interesting. The Thorium is technically the best for, I guess, hearts. Or there's Silk Tunic as well. You don't even have to mine stuff. And well, Adamantite is better, it seems. Okay. And there's bronze? So that's gold and copper combined. And we have all the foods and fruits again. And potions. I don't think these are usable. I think... Well, this one is. But I think these ones are not because they don't do anything. Or I don't know. They seem weird. Um, so there's the morphing stuff. That's something I wanted to try yesterday, but it took... I didn't have all the materials, so... Stamina regeneration. And fertilizer. Okay. What does this do? Let's do the frog morphing, actually. Um... That's funny. um... What dog morphing? Mouse morphing and pigeon morphing. Oh, I know. Wait, I cannot just switch. No, you have to use the purification, I guess? Or is that a status effect? That seems to be a status effect. Okay. So you have to wait for that status effect. Although this... Whoa. I'm a frog, don't worry. There, and I immediately spawn back, okay. That's this doggy. Whoa, he doesn't move his legs at all. Okay. Where are you, little skeleton? There you are. Oh yeah, I've changed my FOV and I can tell. Rawr. Alright. I think we can see what the other ones do. Uh, Hello, I have a question. Do you know if we can create mods actually from nothing for example, create a rocket? So no, this one. I have done already a mod. It's I haven't touched it much, but you can add models. For example, entities and other stuff. I believe blocks you can add and items. I'm not sure how much you can go, how far can you go with it? But you can like generally go into the assets zip folder and just check what Hytale has. I will go over that, and once I'm done with the creative stuff. Um, but yeah, if you need more help, I found that Discord is actually a very good source for getting to know how this actually works, because it can be sometimes very confusing, especially when you haven't worked with anything like this before. So yeah, that's modding, but I'll get to that later. Anyways, my bad that I didn't pick this comment before or chat before. I'm usually used to that people comment garbage. Um, so I cannot read this. Yes, recipes, right? And you have the grimoires. I still don't know what the grimoires are for. Yeah, right. They have all the materials that are in the game. There's the essences. That's like one of my Minecraft mods uses like souls as a, I don't know how to describe it, as a material or more of a as a consumable item, I guess. And because this game it already has it like built in, I think I would want to make or remake the mod that I'm making for Minecraft in this game as well. But I don't know how possible is that. Like if I can change even scales of entities once I um that thing. Also, good luck with remaking Galacticraft. I think you can make writable entities. Not sure how much you can make them do your stuff. For example, fly up, make them rest. But I think it would be probably possible. Okay, now to the good stuff. Eventually, it's going to be possible. That's what they said. Yeah, I have one of these tools already here. The entity grabber. I can pick this skeleton up and just yoink. I don't think they have fall damage, which is sad. And yeah, you can zoom them. You can even make them so you can stick them to the ground. I've already played with this a lot. Um, you know, move like very specifically, rotate them. This rotation thingy is a bit clunky though. Like I'm trying to rotate the green one, but I'm rotating. Well, I don't know what I'm rotating actually. What is happening? So yeah, it's a bit clunky. Maybe it's only on Linux broken, but I don't think so. I think it's just generally. Um, so yeah, bye bye. So that's for entities. I don't think I have to cover that much. Just the Mashima tool. We'll get to that to do. But layer brushes. What does do? What? 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 Huh? It's just remove stuff. I guess? What does it do? Allows you to replace existing blocks with a layer of different materials. Oh, so I can put this here. No. Um, you know what? I don't know what it does, but it's fine. Laser pointer. Okay, this is very useful for like multiplayer building. Oh my god. This I don't think even Axiom has this. Skull blush tool. To select no. Can I build for goodness sake? Okay. Oh, we like that sculpting. Just paint. Cool. Wall thickness. You can make the small caves as well. That's line brush tool. My OCD hates this, but other than that, this is great. This is lovely. Like if I was a builder, I'm I'm actually annoyed at myself that I cannot build stuff in Minecraft. I literally struggle with it. I usually don't put that much time into it, so that's probably the reason. But still, I think ah, it's sad. So let's put this here. What does it do? So I have to place down. No, or is it too big? I don't know. I don't know what this does. There's so much stuff. Oh my goodness. Uh, paintbrush. I think this. I will know. I know what is this. No. Yes. Okay. I don't know what's the difference between this tool and the scalp brush tool, but all right. Selection tool. What? We're supposed to hold it. Okay, what can I do with it now? I'm I'm trying to summon reinforcement, but it doesn't work. It's very intuitive. I like this selection method where you don't actually see the corners, but the face. Okay, what do I... Selection cleared. Okay. What do I do with this? Like, the selection stays here, I guess. Or do I edit only stuff within this boundary? No. Wait, wait, maybe yes? No, no, no. It just looks like it. Okay. A rule twirl, I think is... Oh no, what is this? Uh, okay. Sure. You know what? Extrude brush, smooth brush tool, tint, set anchor, scatter. Okay, I will not even get into these. Okay, noise brush tool actually is useful. So if I select multiple blocks, let's say like that, right? Put them here. Oh, I'm creating dove. And we can make it so it doesn't replace air, right? Somehow. Not empty. It doesn't work like that. Oh well. My bad. Folder brush. Oh yeah, yeah. Uh, what? 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 What do you mean 900 blocks edited? What? Oh, it creates like even underground ones. No, I don't know. Um, mountain brush. So you can summon entire mountain? Oh, that's this one. It says it's editing it, but it's not editing it. I s- uh, oh, okay, the server is not keeping up. Okay. Rubble. Ooh, there's a lot of rubble here. Spiral brush. Unsure why you need that. Is that something that people actually use? I mean, it looks interesting. Like this looks actually not that bad. This looks like some reinforcement beam. Tentacle brush. Where is Sleepy when you need him? This is what he would use. Okay, I'm making a mess here. What is this? It is the block spawner. What do you mean large? I don't know how this works. Editor empty, editor block. Yeah, I don't know what that does. Filter ores. And then we have the Mashima. Okay. Let's try this. I haven't tried this at all. I just know it's here. Scene. That's a good name. Um, how do I create a like a this. Actor name, me. Keyframe. Move it around in time. Oh, you see the entire preview. Ooh. If I go here. No, I don't want another one. Oh, right click to go there. And no, wait, that's the same position. So do you have to? Okay. That's not much of time, is it? Oh, we can move it actually, but very slow. Okay, I'm not sure how this works, but I think somebody already figured this out, so it's not my job. I just I'm sure how to make it also how to see it through the position of the camera. So I don't know, not my problem. Okay, let's try building stuff then. Um, building the house. Almost an hour long. This, jeez. I should better make this quick. Um, all the different rock types. Basalt, sure. Uh, ledgestone. Shale brick. Shale cobble. And that's about it, right? Okay, let's go somewhere where that it doesn't look completely ugly. It's gonna be a bit difficult. What if I want to fill someplace? Is there a tool for that? I mean, I know I can just let's say I want to rock ledge brick. Okay, so I know there's a pause one. Oh, it's like that. So pause one, and let's say this is going to be pause two. Okay, we have a selection, and now we can replace with rock ledge bricks. Um, I don't think it did that. So yeah, yeah. Where's the selection tool? I don't know. I cannot find the use for it. Um, so better do it by hand then. Well, I want to build a house in the survival playthrough or um, exploration playthrough too, but I don't know if I'm going to make the entire thing on stream or not. I might actually play alone. Although, I don't know. I'll see. So we have the base, which is the floor. Then I usually just like randomly place like this. All the different cobbled variants. I don't think it's going to work here because they use more um, different palettes, but we'll see. Yeah, I don't think it works. So it like is a bit easier on the eyes. I don't know if it looks better or. Now I repeat. Okay, we have 3 blocks. We have it 3 blocks tall. Thus, I believe all we need. Then I make the where are the logs? Support beams. I will use probably fur log. Oh no, I of course did it the wrong way. Oh well. We don't have a center here. But it's 4, okay. And like so. Okay, it started to rain and my computer started to, my fan started to go a bit more. Uh, okay, and then yeah, I add these details. This is like my way of doing Minecraft houses, okay? I'm trying to figure out if it works for Hytale as well. Because if not, I will have to learn how to build stuff. And yeah. I mean, it would be good for me, but I don't know. Right, it already looks weird. Which might be a problem. It's just missing this thing at the bottom. And we can, I mean, if we can do it like so. We'll just remove this portion of the thingy. and it's going to look so much better. Not sure how it is going to look here, but it doesn't matter. It's from the back, so we don't worry about the back. We only worry about the front, so um yeah. And I completely screwed. Right. There we go. Much better. Oh, you know what we can do now? We can put the doors here. I don't know why I'm the most excited about the doors. Oh, they're 3x3. Oh, my bad. Also 3x3. The large ones. They're literally the same side. What? Are they 4 blocks? They're 4 blocks too. Okay. Oh, I like these ones. They're too big. Oh. Yes, this works. Goodness. Yes. Okay, some white. Don't chalk. Yes, this works. Oh no, I'm doing it wrong. I think it was like so. Or no, something like that. It looks so weird. I guess this would work, and yeah, I can extend it here. I'm literally just uh doing it on the fly. I'm not really thinking about it. When it looks all right, I'm just going to keep it. You know. Oh, the entire time I had desktop audio disabled. My bad. I just noticed. Well. Okay, well, no, then nobody will understand my joke about the pew pew guns. Let's fix that. The gun. Wait, this one actually works? Oh, this one actually works, and it doesn't do the sound. This one. I don't know if it's just ammo or something. It's armor, yes, but not ammo. I don't know. It was like so, and continues up. And I want to figure out how to do the roof. So we make it out of black and something more visible. The outline. I like how it like attaches to blocks. what? There. Yeah, there's a slope one. Stupid one. It's slope. Wait, it's different black. This is not red. Yeah, that's light. There. I guess it works. I have to figure out these, but you know. Actually, not bad. I thought this is going to be way worse. For me, personally, because I cannot build stuff. Okay, for some reason the roof looks the best out of the entire build. Okay, I think that personally now. I'm suing. Oh, okay. Well, that's for my house, I guess. You will not get an interior because I am even worse at there. We can get stairs here. Stairs. I like how they went with the Minecraft vibe, actually. The stairs. Like, they could have chosen, like, you know, more stairs variant, but no, they just... window? Or glass? Like, glass panes, there are no glass panes. Hmm. Well, I guess this will do. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, I usually put some details on this as well, which I could technically try to do with the wooden thingies I said I don't like. Some details here. Well, you cannot put them the other way around? Oh, you can. Okay. So it looks so weird. And I could probably like copy paste it somehow. I don't know how. So just not do it at all. And this is my probably finished product for now. For now. For now. Yeah. If it's missing a window, well, that's part of the job. Okay, so with this done, I think the creative portion has been properly gone by. Whoa. And we can go to the other part, and which is modding. And I think it's going to be very short because I don't really have anything to say. So there's in the creative tools, there's the asset editor. If I open it. Hi, Philip. If I open it, it's going to pop up here, and it's going to connect to the server, so to the game basically, and it will show here. I go here, show all the game content that there is, which I have no idea what this does. Actually, I don't understand most of this. I just know it's here, and that you can find the files in the app data, Hypixel Studios, Hytale, uh, like installed files somewhere. There's a zip file called assets.zip, literally. And yeah, or you can read it here, but I think the assets are much more easy to like go through because you can literally see it here than, you know, seeing it in this weird user interface. But there's a bomb. That's a potion? Bomb is a potion. Nice. Interesting. I guess. Okay, anyways, I will... Ooh. I will go over to my mod, which currently doesn't do much. I'll show you what I did first, and then how I did it. So, I have this Minecraft mod, which I've been working on for quite some time. And, I haven't exported these, actually. Whatever, that doesn't matter. I've been working for quite a while now, and one of the models out of that model mod I took and imported here. It's here, Setar Fox. It's yep. I will just do it as a model right now. We can search. There. You change the scale as well, although not much. Not sure how this works, but yeah, once you spawn it, it's here, and then you can use the entity grabber tool to move it around, or even make it larger. Although it breaks the boxes for some reason. And try to make it larger than it's supposed to be for the models specifically. So yeah, I don't know what is wrong about this. Then I have the entity, which is here. I typed it wrong. There. And currently it has a AI of a horse, so it just wanders around, wants berries, and you can mount it. Although I think mounting is not properly done in this game because I'm inside of the model. Even though I moved the offset, I'm still inside, and it's very finicky. Right, like this. I don't know. And what is with the bear? So it's very, very strange. So that's what I've done. It doesn't have any animations because all of the animations are in my code and not in Blockbench. Oh. It just wanted to attack me, I guess. So how is it done? So in here, you can create a new pack. There's a name and like name of the pack, and then like usually your name, everything here, and it creates this thingy. We'll close these. And usually there's nothing in here. Usually there's nothing, but for some reason there is. What the hell? I broke it. That's fine. There. There's nothing in here. Nice. Fixed it. Or, what? Yeah. And what I just did, I didn't do anything crazy. I imported the model. So in the files, which is here, in the mods file, which is in the Hytale user data saves testing mods, you will find the new folder based on your group and the name you created, and you can create a folder called common with big C here, uppercase C, and NPCs, and you can just put the blocky model from Blockbench. I'm going to try to not that. What is open? 7. Blockbench here. I can show you that. That's the first time that ever happened. But I have the model here, and there's nothing really special about it. I don't even have any specific layout here. I just literally copied the model from Minecraft to Hytale. The reason why it's in the game by default very small, when I spawn it with the model tool, here. I don't know what it's trying to spawn right now. Is because you see how it's like tiny right now. Is because here this 64 by 64 grid is the one block. I would have to like go here and scale it like basically 4 times in order for it to be the proper size. So yeah, but I scaled it using the asset editor. So if I go here into the Foxed model asset, which you have to create using this button, you can put the model here, blocky model on the texture. And also I will say something important later, but whatever. And in the... there was somewhere... yeah, in the properties, I guess there's... I don't know where it is specifically. It's in the hitbox, it seems. You can create like minimum and maximum scale. I don't know why is there minimum and maximum, what does this mean, but it scales the model, that's all I know. And you have to have a hitbox. Alright, now to the very important thing. When you have the model, it's very important, and I don't know why it fucks up right now. Why is this model completely fucked up? But whatever. When you have the UV map, there's the size right here of the texture. The texture file has to have the same size as the thing here. Otherwise, it will not work. I learned that the hard way and spent like an hour trying to fix it. I don't know why is this one completely broken. I don't know. Yeah, this one is fine. So you can see the entire textured model. And as you can see, like the texture is actually this one has it broken. The texture is... what the... oh, I see. Oh, I know what is happening. There. The texture actually is 256 by 256, but here it's 128 by 128. So you have to change it here and then resize it, but for some reason sometimes the thingy for it doesn't show up. I don't know, there's a... sometimes, I don't know when, it shows like small tool tips here that you can resize it. I don't know how can I enable that or disable that. It took me a very long time. So just know that you're going to import some models. If you're making new models, I don't think it's going to be that big of a problem. And also use Paraphase UV because Hytale supports it, so you can use it. And when you can also use the model on your cell, on the other entity, so you can become the model as well. And once again, I don't know how the animations work, so there has to be some sort of a weird animation. Maybe. Not sure. But you can really play with it. You should reload. It doesn't do that. Maybe I have to... oh yeah. Oh, whoa. Use the hitboxes. Oh, this is very broken. Oh my goodness. For the AI stuff, in order for the NPC to move, you have to put it. Well, you have to first of all, if you want to have it as an NPC, you have to put it into this NPC role thingy. I copied it from the horse, so I once again went just here in the assets, common, NPC. It was a livestock and horse, and it wasn't here actually. It was on the server. My bad. My bad. NPC roles, creature, livestock, and there's the horse. And I cannot open it in here, so that's lovely. So, I literally copied this. I played around with the different things, with different attributes, but I don't know how much you can change here. I think it's not very. I don't know what to do here. You can also see here all the base, your core and templates. There we go. So templates here. There's a blank template. When you have this is compute, this means it's going to look up for that how to say it, for that property in another JSON file, or in the like higher JSON file. Well, in the parameters, I think, in here, yeah. You need to look up here, and here you have the value, which is default, and the description usually as well. It depends. Repair predator, by default it's fox, which is interesting. And yeah, I don't know how much you can copy stuff over. I haven't tried to make like a friendly predator. I don't think I can even do that. Given that like the way how the horse right now works. Right, it works on chance to turn friendly. It's not like you tame it and it's tamed. It's more of a like, I will be tamed for another, I don't know how many seconds. It was somewhere. It was somewhere here, I don't know. I think it was maybe in the actual template. Yeah. How long is it going to take for him to be friendly, and then it's going to just ditch you again? So it is. There's a different way of thinking about this entirely, about modding in this game than in Minecraft. Being honest, I prefer the Minecraft thingy. We'll try to make mods here as well once I understand all the different parts. But that's about it. That's all I have tried so far. I know you can make blocks here, you can make farming crops. I guess you can even change like camera effects, which is interesting. I'll check the blocks world. Whoa, NPC renames. Default old. Whoa. Interesting. There's a lot of things that they left here, it seems. Different biomes. I think you can change biomes. Is the node editor in the game? Hold up. There's the node editor, but it doesn't work on Linux. Yeah. But that's about that. You can import stuff. I haven't played with these either. I don't know what instances mean. I guess it's a different world type. There's a campsite. Ooh. I don't know what these mean at the top. So, oh, there's a lot of things here. The particles. I don't actually see the particle. Um, I actually didn't go over at all entities that are in the game. There are actually a lot of them. Yeah. I don't know if I want to cover all of them. Let's look at some of them. Why they are spawning in the ground? What the hell? Okay, now it's fine. I don't want to like make this completely spoilery. There's a crocodile. Oh, they have size variation. Interesting. I actually didn't, check this. There's the fire dragon, the ice dragon. Not much. There's the dungeons. I have been in dungeon, but I haven't found these ones. One of them that I found. I think the ones that I found was just the seeker and the fighter, and that was it. And there's different skeletons, different types of fish. This is the. Okay, I will actually spawn this one because this is something that I saw yesterday and was very like confused. What am I looking at? So yeah, this is how it looks like. Ember wolf. Empty empty roll. The eye void. I haven't seen these at all, and it seems that they are actually helpful in a lot of ways. So I wonder where to find them. I'll probably just find down on my own. Very weird. So I... oh yeah, I like this, like... Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, slow. Just bigger. The hermit, yeah, there's different goblins actually. The orc. The different columns for the portal. There's the goddess of something, I don't know. Different types of lip. There's not much. Cubex. Leopard. Outlanders also seem to be probably nice guys. Although not sure. Stalker. I haven't seen them. Oh, there's the raptor, right? I haven't checked. I don't know even why are there like raptor, rex, and other like dinosaurs. Oh, I haven't seen this guy. Oh, that's my mod. Yeah, right. They only done by accident. Different skeleton. So many different skeleton types. I think they were very bored and just figured they can do a lot of skeletons. There's a lot of... Actually, some of them, like this looks like the head from Terraria in the specific underground dungeon. Pirates? I haven't been on water either. Some big water. Mochik. Oh, there's snakes. I wonder why when like you can change like their size, when you can't resize them with the entity tool. I think that would be cool if they added that. Attics. Not sure what are those. I believe I've seen them though. Temple. Different type, I guess? Test. A lot of tests. What? What? I don't get it. Wolf leader. So many tests. Jeez. Die. Dog tame. Oh, you can tame them? I didn't know. But still, like... You know... I would prefer having him look the same than being the doggy. I'll skip all the tests. There are a lot of them, holy. Tortoise. Trork. Yeah, I think I've seen Trorks. Wait, where what? Look. And there are the different types of wolves. Yeah, like these wolves actually look very cool. Yeti. I didn't see this one. Okay. And yeah, that's all that. That's all there is. There's all of the items, of course. But we have already seen those. So... Yeah, I haven't gone through the world that much yet. In order to find all the different mysteries and dungeons. So I might have to do that. But this has been very eye-opening. How do I get back to the place where I built my lovely house? Does it give me... Does it teleport me into the same place? Oh yeah. Lovely. Alright, so yeah, with that, that's going to be everything. I am... yeah. Been sure, as I said. I think... the more we learn about how to mod in this game, the more content we can add, that's more playable it can be. And yeah. Bye.